Part 3 on snowblower piston cover oil pan gasket leak. Just coming back and showing you the finished product because, and I will give you a disclaimer that I was not able to video this as GMEX Senior put this back together because he did it while I wasn't here. So what I can do is show you the highlights and what to expect if you ever have this issue with your snowblower. And, you know, let me give you a disclaimer out there. You know, sometimes you can't always show everything on camera and hold the camera at the same time when you're fixing something. And I, on my channel, try to show you as much DIY as I possibly can. And sometimes I do get in the comments, I've noticed I did get flack for that. But what I'm hoping at least to accomplish to show you the, you know, the possibility whether you want to try and fix this yourself or seek someone else to do it, because, hey, even sometimes I have to seek help to get something fixed. So anyway, with that said, here is the finished product and everything back together. And as you can see, all the pulleys and everything that, you know, basically self-explanatory, that they come off in order to get at this piston cover. So basically, very short, simple video, but the bottom line is GMEX Senior got it all back together. He even tested it. Because if we walk outside, we got another about, it's actually all cleaned up now, but I'll show you the evidence of it. As you can see, we got another couple inches of snow, but he used, I don't know if the camera will show, tracks here in the snow of using the snowblower and give it a test. So, as far as I can see, the test was good. I don't see any oil leaks. I didn't talk to him yet since he finished it. But I came home today and found it in the garage, and he used it, and he also used the plow truck to plow snow around the property here. So, which is very good after working all day. Anyway, so, you know, the bottom line is, like, just some highlights here. What I can tell you is I took the cover off to show you this. This is the brace. As you can see, it bolts on, helps hold everything on with all the pulleys and everything, and also bolts on to the, you see the couple bolts that are there to hold on the, it like a cover, and also a brace to protect and give strength to the engine. But one thing you would have to do is jack the snowblower up in order to take, there's a bottom pan. You can see the couple bolts right there, and there should be bolts down underneath, and also maybe slotted, because you will have to remove these bolts. These you can just loosen. These here, you remove them, and like in the first part of the video on part 1, you'll see, or second video part, that shows the engine leaning back in order to have the access to get at the pan. So, but all in all, you can make the decision whether you want to try and do this or take it to your local lawnmower shop, and hey, maybe you can do DIY, fix your own snowblower, or maybe, you know what, you know, after seeing GMEX video, I think I'll have to pass and you know, do it, you know, for have somebody else do it for myself, because, you know, they have all the tools and everything. So anyway, if you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you to recent subscribers. And I'm trying to comment back to everyone that comments. Thank you for that. Thank you for the interaction. I appreciate it very much. I'm gonna throw the cover back on here as we speak. And that's just real simple. Slides right back on. I say simple. There we go. We'll put the 3 bolts and hold it back on. Tighten them up, and we'll get to the pun here with this in a prime opportunity just to show my favorite saying is, of course we have to snug them down a little bit. My favorite saying to end my videos, say, keep on wrenching.